Welcome back, fellow food enthusiasts. Today, we have a citrusy treat in store for you. Get ready to uncover the unknown facts and savor the zesty flavors of a beloved Chinese dish, lemon chicken. Prepare to tantalize your taste buds as we dive into this delightful culinary creation. Let's get started. Before we unveil the unknown facts, let's introduce lemon chicken. This popular dish features tender chicken pieces coated in a tangy, lemon-infused sauce. But did you know there's more to this dish than meets the eye? Let's explore the hidden secrets and fascinating history behind lemon chicken. Fact number 1. Lemon chicken has its roots in Cantonese cuisine, originating from southern China. While it's a well-loved dish in Chinese American cuisine, its origins can be traced back to traditional Cantonese cooking techniques. It was later adapted to cater to Western palates, resulting in the lemon chicken we know and love today. Fact number 2. The secret to the vibrant flavor of lemon chicken lies in its sauce. The tangy sauce is typically made with a combination of fresh lemon juice, zest, soy sauce, sugar, and sometimes ginger or garlic. This delightful blend creates a harmonious balance of sweet, sour, and savory notes that elevate the chicken to a whole new level of deliciousness. Transition to ingredients. Speaking of ingredients, let's move on to fact number 3. The chicken in lemon chicken is often coated in a light batter and then fried to achieve a crispy exterior while keeping the meat juicy and tender. The combination of crispy chicken and tangy sauce creates a delightful textural contrast that makes each bite a mouth-watering experience. Fact number 4. Lemon chicken has become a beloved dish not only in Chinese cuisine but also in various international culinary scenes. It has been adapted and embraced in different parts of the world, including the United States, United Kingdom, and Australia. Each region puts its unique spin on the dish, incorporating local ingredients and flavors to create their own versions of this zesty delight. Finally, fact number 5. Lemon chicken is a versatile dish that can be enjoyed in various ways. It can be served as a main course alongside rice or noodles, or even as a tasty appetizer or part of a Chinese banquet. Its tangy and refreshing flavors make it a popular choice for those seeking a vibrant and satisfying dining experience. From its Cantonese origins to its zesty sauce and global adaptations, this dish continues to bring a burst of citrusy delight to tables around the world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow food lovers. And as always, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering culinary explorations. Thanks for watching, and until next time, enjoy your culinary adventures.